February 15th, 2021. Here's the snow. 15 hours without power. And those blue bins are the contents of my refrigerator. I've got a little wireless thermometer stuck in there. And the receiver's inside so I can monitor the temperature. Current temp is about 15 or so. A little bit of wind, so we're just going to walk around. Looks a little bit different compared to yesterday. We're going to walk around and show you what we've got. A little bit of snow, wouldn't you say? Approximately 6 inches or so. But anyways, we'll walk around and show you very quickly because it is windy out here. And not to mention there's a ton of snow. Deer tracks. Wow, this is significant. Ooh, he's a big boy. He's a big boy. Very significant amount of snow. I haven't heard snow under my feet like this in a long time. Just to give you an example, I mean, hard to see, but anyways. Septic is frozen. We still have water, but everything else is done. Battery backups, etc. have all expired. So no power, no heat, plenty of wind though. Just to give you a quick walkthrough. I know it's windy. Try and get you some shots and whatnot. So yeah, it snowed from probably 10 p.m. till right around, I think 4 a.m. Brave walking under these trees. Heard lots of trees crashing last night. I don't even recognize my own backyard. We've got trees down everywhere. And then we're about halfway through. We're actually going to get a little bit more snow. The high of today is probably right now 15, 16 degrees. Listen to all these trees making noise in the wind. She's brisk today, that's for sure. So anyways, I'm not going to walk all the way back there like I did the other day, but you can tell we've got a mess. Hell of a mess to clean up. Everything's still solid ice. We should have had power by now, but we don't. So everything's frozen over. No hot water. That's been depleted. Here's the heat pump. Not heating. That's deep. About 8 inches right there. Anyways, everything's frozen over. If we had power, this will turn on and function. But it doesn't look like we're going to get power. If we don't get power by later this evening, then we're not going to get power for days, more than likely. So then the idea is to see how warm we can all stay in the house with blankets. And at some point we may have to transition to the car and use the car to recharge our cell phones. And there's no telling how long it'll be before the cell sites, their generators, run out of fuel. The roads aren't very passable, not out here. The main roads probably, but they've been attempting to restore service since, oh gosh, somebody went out last night about 7:30 and they're still not on. So I don't know where we're at in the queue, but this is not normal for Texas. That's for sure.